The Holland and Barrett Advent Calendar launches today, that is the 11th of September. This video is being filmed on Sunday. The calendar is, as always, fully vegan, and this year is priced at £45, not a huge difference there from previous year's price tags. The calendar looks like that. Apparently it is worth £179 and it contains 25 products. So because I've got, about 8 or 9 videos to film today, and I've got to edit this one and get it up and running by the time the calendar launches, let's get on with the contents. So this is going to be really quick. Let's rush in because there's lots to finish today and I want to edit this ASAP and publish it ASAP. So I'm going to keep it really short and really tight. So off we go. The first product is the Holland Barrett Facial Toner Aloe and Cucumber Face Toner. That is 150ml, indeed full size, retailing at just £3.99. The second product is a dud. It is the Holland Barrett headband. In the past, Holland Barrett have sent out tweezers, nail files and so on. Remember that. The next product is the Holland Barrett Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin C tablets. You get 30 tablets. These retail at £18.99. I'm not a fan of supplements or oral products or anything for oral consumption. I have food allergies. I have lots of allergies. A number of people could be very allergic. And these, in my opinion, anything for oral consumption is a lawsuit waiting to happen. And I think your doctor, your GP should be the one making all these decisions, not random beauty boxes. The next product, yet another dud, Magnetone Wipeout Cleansing Cloth. You get a single one, but pack of 3 is full-sized, which retails at £20. I'm not going to count this. The next product, Tisserand Sleep Better Pulse Point Rollerball, full-sized, retailing at £9. So this is, rather like a sleep spray, only it's a Sleep Better Rollerball. Oh my god. The next product is the EcoDenta Multifunctional Toothpaste with 7 herbs. Full-sized at 100ml, retailing at £4.20. Yeah, so far we have a toothpaste, a sleeping ball, a sleeping roll-on, a cleansing cloth and a headband, and vitamin C and hyaluronic acid tablets. But the good news is that the calendar does get better from now on, and the next product is a Q&A vitamin C eye cream, 15ml, indeed full size, retailing at £8. Next you have the Ethique Discovery pack for balanced hair. That is 45 grams. This is actually 3 heart-shaped bars. 2 of these are shampoo bars and 1 of them is a conditioner bar. This is retailing at £8.50. The next product is from Faith in Nature. I intend to finish my first Faith in Nature conditioner this month. Faith in Nature Lavender Bars, Lavender Soap Bar. You get that as 100 grams, indeed full size, retailing at £2.99. The next product is a So Eco Complexion Sponge, full sized at £6. I mean, what is a half-sized sponge anyway? Of course it's full sized. Next you have the Native State Overnight Anti-Aging Face Mask, 75ml is what you get, which is actually full sized and retails at £7.99. Next you have the Sea Magic Pink Salt Shampoo, 50 grams is what you get. However, what is pictured is the full size, 200 grams. But you only get 50, yeah, that's 1/4, so let's not count it. The next product is yet another Faith in Nature product. It is the Shea and Argan Hair Mask, 300ml. Yes, that is actually what you get. And that is indeed full size, retailing at £7. The next product is the Beauty Kitchen Seahorse and Plankton Radiant Moisturizer, 60ml, retails at £24. However, you only get a mini. Next product is the Dr. Organic Guava Face Mask, 50ml is what you get. That is indeed full size, retailing at £9.99. The next product is the Sukin Radiance Gel Cleanser, 125ml is what you get, which is indeed full size, retailing at £9.95. The next product, everybody's heard of Weleda. You get the Weleda Skin Food Body Lotion, 200ml, absolutely full-sized, retailing at £14.95. The next product is from Antipodes Hosanna H2O Plumping Serum. You only get 10ml, however 30ml is full-sized. Next you have a Pure Essential Oil, My Aroma Rosemary Oil, 10ml, which is indeed full-sized, retailing at £6.50. Next you have from Psychic Sisters, thankfully not a boa shuster. You get the chamomile and lavender candle. You get a mini candle, not a full-sized one. Let's not count this. Next, you have the I Love Wellness Calm Bath Soap. 125ml is what you get. That is £8, indeed full-sized. The next product from Mi Aroma again, Winter Spice Oil. 10ml is what you get. Full size is 20ml. Next, from Vita Skin Vitamin C Collagen Boosting Serum, 30ml is what you get, which is indeed full-sized, retailing at £18. Next, you have the Wild Natural Deodorant Deluxe Size is what you get, Full size retails at £12.99. Let's not count this. Lastly, from Upcircle, the coffee face scrub citrus blend. 30 mils is what you get, 100 mils is full sized. So there are 15 full sizes in this advent calendar, and it's just 45 quid. You know, you can't really go wrong at that price. Yeah. The duds here for me are that sponge, the headband, the toothpaste, the cleansing cloth, the hyaluronic acid tablets, the rollerball, and maybe the deodorant. I don't think a deodorant belongs in a beauty box. So there are quite a few duds here, but there are also some fun products to try out. That shampoo bar and conditioner bar Discovery Pack sounds good. The vitamin C eye cream sounds good. The giant hair mask Faith in Nature 300 mils big chunky product, that sounds good. Weleda body lotion, indeed full sized at 200 mils, very generous, that sounds very good. And the full sized vitamin C serum at £18, 30 mils, that also sounds good. So for every dot, there is a decent product in here as well, and it is just £45. So, you know, I wouldn't find fault with this advent calendar because it's just 45 quid. That said, I wouldn't personally buy it because I think, you know, a headband, a toothpaste, hyaluronic acid tablets, a cleansing cloth, a rollerball for sleeping, a sponge, it's not, you know, up my alley at all. I mean, I would have sprung more for Anthropology, which is just £78, a bit more there. But, you know, I'm getting neither of these. As you know, I'm getting Yes Style, which has more products that I want. So, price breakdown, my friends. The toner is £3.99 and the hyaluronic acid tablets are £18.99. That gives you £22.98. The rollerball is 9 quid. That gives you £31.98. The toothpaste is £4.20. It gives you £36.18. The eye cream is 8 quid. That gives you £44.18. Faith in Nature soap bar is £2.99. That gives you £47.17. The sponge is 6 quid. That gives you 53.17. We are well past the cost of the advent calendar here. The face mask is £7.99. That gives you £61.16. The giant hair mask for 300 mils is just 7 quid. That gives you £68.16. The Gua face mask is £9.99 and the Sukin gel cleanser is £9.95. That gives you £88.10. The Weleda body lotion is £14.95. That gives you £103.58. The rosemary oil is £6.50. That gives you £109.55. The Bard soak is 8 quid. That gives you £117.55. And lastly, that collagen vitamin C serum is 18 quid. You get £135.55. So you pay 45 quid and you get products, full-size products worth £135.55. But remember, one of these is a toothpaste. One of these is a rollerball, and one of these is a sponge, and one of these is hyaluronic acid tablets, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid tablets. I wouldn't say the value isn't there. I'm saying if you are looking for an advent calendar at very little expense, yeah, I know there's cost of living crisis and everything going on. It is very, very, I mean, we're living in very difficult times, my friends. So if you're looking for an advent calendar to unbox and you don't really mind the dots, you know, at this price, so I think this is a good choice. But I still think, you know, if you can spring a bit more and, you know, for maybe something like Anthropology. It all depends on what the products, I mean, what products you want and don't mind. Because Anthropology doesn't have supplements at least. And there is an oral spray and a sleep product. But, you know, no hyaluronic acid tablets and no toothpaste. Yeah. So it all depends on what you don't mind. On the other hand, Anthropology is a good 30 quid more expensive. So you need to make that decision for yourself. I just wanted to put this very quick video up there, and the reason it is so short is because I wanted to edit very quickly without, you know, too much mucking about, so that it would go up on the day of the calendar's launch before the calendar sells out. So hopefully the calendar hasn't sold out by the time I've published it, by the time you've seen this. Where to buy is linked in the description box below. So there's my thoughts on the Holland Barrett Advent Calendar. What do you think about it? Do you think there are way too many duds, which is what I feel? Or do you think the price point more than compensates for all the duds? 45 quid doesn't break the bank at all. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do click the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.